Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Welcome, my name is Laura and this is Girl Going Global and my travel tips. Obviously, I know that we can't do any travelling right now. We're in a lockdown. I think most of the world is also currently in another lockdown. But that is not going to stop us from getting excited, from planning the places we want to go to as soon as we are able to. Comment down below on what places you would like to go to as soon as this is all over. Okay, so Dubai. It is a wonderful place to go to all year round. We don't know when we're going to be let out of this, but we do know that when we are, Dubai will most likely have incredible weather. So we can have a summer holiday at any point in the year, and it's not like you have to fly a million miles away. It's about a 6-7 hour trip. So this is the top places to go and see, top photo spots, top Instagrammable places. I went to Dubai a few years ago now. Definitely need to go back at some point. And there is a lot to see in Dubai. Okay, let's get into this video. Number 1, the yellow boat ride. I will link it down below. We did this, I think Will bought it me for a Valentine's present a few years ago. It was just incredible. Most amazing experience. We were whizzing around super fast on the yellow boat. The guy, the host, was so much fun. And we got to see the very best spots of Dubai. Whilst you are on the yellow boat, you will be getting an incredible fun experience as well as plenty of photo opportunity. You also get to see the Burj Al Arab. It is the one that looks like a sail, so you've probably seen that in plenty of photos. It's a very cool building and the yellow boat tour does take you in front of that. Obviously, this is not a top Dubai photographic spot without mentioning the Burj Khalifa. Is it a trip to Dubai if you don't take a photo with the very tallest building in the world? Probably not. So, obviously, another one is to actually go up the Burj Khalifa and have a picture from up there overlooking the whole of Dubai. I don't like lifts. So that's quite an issue to go up the tallest building in the world if I don't like lifts. Look, I'm trying to get over it. I will get over it at some point. If anyone has any tips to get over this fear, please comment down below. But yeah, I had a photo in front of the Burj Khalifa, which was good enough for me. The next Instagrammable spot of Dubai is the Marina. There are countless beautiful, luxurious yachts in the Marina, as you can imagine. I'm sure you will get the most glamorous photo. There are super yachts, beautiful buildings everywhere. It's definitely one to add to the photo spot list. So the malls, Dubai Mall and Mall of the Emirates. They're not just your average Joe kind of shopping malls. Absolutely not. There is the massive Dubai Aquarium in the Dubai Mall, which is just incredible. So definitely check out the mall there. And then there is a huge indoor snow park in the Mall of the Emirates. So I don't know if I had a photo actually, but you need to get one because pretty cool going skiing or like seeing the mountains in a desert. The next one, which has just completely swamped Instagram, is Beach Club. If you're in Dubai, definitely get over to a beach club. That kind of beach with the Dubai skyline in the background. It's definitely a classic. Next one, Dubai Miracle Garden. This is unfortunately one thing that I had on my list that I didn't actually get to see, so I don't have a photo, but it just means that I have an excuse to go back to Dubai to visit there next time. But highly recommend to you guys because I've seen countless beautiful, beautiful photos from that garden. It's a fabulous photo opportunity, so get that one on your list too. So the water fountains, wow. When you say water fountains, I'm like, oh yeah, pretty. Dubai is like another level of the water fountains. It's basically a firework display, but with water. They have music, lights, everything. It's just so pretty. So you can actually go on a little boat to enjoy the view from your boat. I thought that was pretty cool. Such an amazing thing to see. So you definitely need your camera if you go there. It was an amazing moment. Like, I remember going there. I think it's because I didn't have any expectations whatsoever, and I was just mesmerized by it. It was so uplifting. It felt like we were watching like a show. Well, it was a show, but it was water. Very cool though. Highly recommend it. We grabbed a drink at the Palace Downtown Hotel. Oh my goodness me, that hotel is literally like a palace. Like, it is beautiful. So there is plenty of opportunities to take photos there, from the swimming pools out in the back to like the marble interiors. Honestly, just beautiful. So you need to add that to your Instagram photos in Dubai. Also, do note that in Dubai, you're not allowed to drink alcohol anywhere else but hotels. So it's a double whammy. You get your photos, you get your beautiful view, and you get your alcohol. Triple whammy. Sorry. The next one's a little bit different, but everyone is going to experience this, is Dubai from the plane. Wow. When you first get into Dubai, I always remember seeing the skyline and the Burj Khalifa just completely overtaking all of the buildings, popping through the clouds. It was just gorgeous. So make sure that you got your camera ready on landing. It was beautiful. And the very last one I'm going to say is the Palm. The Palm Atlantis is a massive hotel, super famous. I'm sure you'll be able to capture some beautiful photos there. Okay, that is it. That is the most Instagrammable photo spots in Dubai. Hot, beach, glamour. It's a fab place to go. So if that's top on your list for when the pandemic is over, make sure you save this video so you can embrace the holiday and make the most of seeing the best places. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe for some more travel tips and travel vlogs as well when it is safe to do so and we are allowed. We are set free. We can explore the world again. So excited. I've written a blog post about this as well on my blog girlgoingglobal.com, which I will link down below so you can check out the places we went to and the photos there if you want a little bit more time having a look through everything. Also, do check me out on Instagram. It is girlgoingglobal. Please also give this video a like if you did enjoy it. But for now, that's it guys. See you next time. Bye.